Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1965 Chevrolet Nova. It is a teal color. Beautiful car. Got some treats with this one. The inside is a leather, same color, teal. Got a BMM shifter. It is an automatic. Got some gauges added in there as well. Inside is absolutely phenomenal. Go ahead and show you the trunk here. This is kind of where that little special surprise comes into play. Let's see if I can get the key situated here. Boom. All equipped to take anybody down. But the trunk's in great condition as well. And we'll go ahead and walk around here to the front. Just take a look on the inside of the driver's side. Check out that cluster up close. Great condition. This car sounds good and is a lot of fun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you under the hood, take it for a spin, put her on the hoist. Go. Take it for a spin. Show you how good this drives and how well it sounds. Woo. Oh yeah, nice and straight. Steering wheel's great, no shaking, no rattling, just absolutely phenomenal. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swing her around, throw her up on the hoist, and we can check out underneath. All right, got the Nova up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Very strong undercarriage. A little bit of that natural surface rust, but that's all it is a little bit of dirt, surface rust. The body is awesome on this, very strong. As you can see from the driving video, they did put some work into this to make it drive and be an everyday fun cruiser. Get up and go. It sounds awesome. It feels good. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to do a live FaceTime with you, take you for a spin, show you anything specific that you want to see that you might have missed. As always, we appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day.